Looking for some great core activities and exercises that won't jeopardize your low back? I'm Dr. Evan Schwindt. Today we're going to review the side plank. All right, side plank is a common exercise that probably most of us have done at some point, but we're going to show you a different variation that makes sure that we protect the lower back and focus on our primary goal, which is the core. I'm doing this on a table, but of course you're going to be doing this on the ground here, a nice firm surface. We're going to start in this position here with the knees bent. This is the easiest version of it. We'll show some variations as we go along. Now, the side plank that we utilize in MyoLab is based off the McGill Big 3. That's from Stu McGill, who really focuses on making sure that the lower back, the spine, is stiff and rigid, and your muscles are shut off in that position. So you aren't causing extra flexion or movement through your spine and your discs. So we're going to make sure we do that today. Please make sure you reference our other videos about breathing and bracing, because that is absolutely critical to get our side plank going correctly here. All right, from this position, we're going to have ourselves nice and braced. We're going to make sure that our spine is neutral, not caving down like we naturally want to do in this position. Nice and neutral. And what we're actually going to do to get up into the side plank position is I'm going to shoot my pelvis and hips forward. When I do that, it drives me up naturally. Holding that 5 seconds, and then to come down, I'm actually shooting my hips back. Again, trying to keep that spine nice and neutral, not dropping down. So I'm sure we've all seen before a side plank where people just lift up. That's working, not the same muscles that we want to be working here, and it can cause some strain on the lower back. So instead, brace that core, shoot the hips forward. When your core is braced as hard as you can try to shoot the hips forward more, but you won't. I'll give you an example. If I drop out my core, next thing you know, I can hyperextend my low back. That's not what I want. So starting position, brace the core, shoot forward, hold for 5 seconds, and then come back down nice and slow. To make this more challenging, go straight leg. And what we like to see is the top leg in front, not stacked. We're not working on anti-rotation right now. We're focusing on lateral chain side plank strengthening as we then come up. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.